Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix no service on your iPhone issue and how you can fix it. So let's dive into the working app. The first of all, whenever you're having this trouble, all you have to do is you just need to go at the top and you have to turn on the airplane mode. So try turn on the airplane mode and you have to wait hardly for 1 minute or 2 minutes. And afterwards, you have to turn off the airplane mode and you have to check whether you are having issue with the no service or not. Still, if you're having the trouble, the next one, we need to do a reset network settings. So to do this, just go over here in the settings. Now from here, navigate to the general. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here, go to reset. And there is an option called reset network settings. So keep in mind, when you do the reset network settings, you'll be only losing the Wi-Fi passwords. So if you're already connected to any Wi-Fi network, you'll be losing it, which means you have to connect it back. Rest everything, like rest datas and everything will be there, and you don't have to worry on that. So once it is also done, and what you need to do is, after trying with this one, still if you're having the trouble, what you need to do is, we just need to go over here and you have to turn on the data roaming. So over here, just go over here to the mobile service. Now from here, we have to go over here to mobile data options. And over here, as you can see, the data roaming, this should be most probably, if it is turned on, try turning this on. And afterwards, you'll be having the service most probably available on your iPhone. So not be having any issue with this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find anything, do let us know in the comment section so our team will get back to you. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe so it will be much more support for us. That's it. Bye-bye.